Hello, subscribers of my channel, viewers of this video. I wanted to share these little nuances about regarding the fuel consumption of the gas installation. Look at it, watched a lot of videos, tinkered with it myself, took it apart several times. I collected a special one with the onset of cold weather. In short, it turned out to be a large overconsumption of gas. Well, that I just didn't get rid of it. There was no effect. There was a problem, but in my opinion it was me. But this was the solution to the problem of insufficient heating of the gas installation due to the fact that it became too high. I can see it right now from the level it is installed. It could, in principle, be lowered lower. I also stepped well. I didn't think of this right away, and you can put it here from the front side. They could be installed on the spar end. Then everything was covered in chocolate. Well, basically, in this condition. Here it is, if you can see it up. Located below the carburetor, it is quieter there below the carburetor. It turns out on the top cover of the carburetor the bench press is below average. On the carburetor cover, the middle part of the carburetor will be when it was lowered. It stood, well, about 15 centimeters. Higher up there was, roughly speaking, a paw wiping the pipes, rubbing against the hood, and I had a consumption. Gas consumption immediately decreased by half with the onset of cold weather. I couldn't drive 10 kilometers now by 10 liters. I'm driving about 100 and 115 kilometers, like this somewhere. When driving from work to home, there are 10 to 15 kilometers there. I have to travel more often. That's basically all I wanted to say. We place the evaporator of the gas installation as low as possible. The level you should coincide with the upper level with the upper level of the radiator. Yes, since we have antifreeze, well, the hottest antifreeze is at the top and here. It turned out that I just stupidly didn't fill the systems, well, warming up this evaporator with the cooling liquid. I didn't really warm up because of this. There was a lot of overconsumption of gas. Everything is subscribed to the channel, like it, write comments.